Hello everybody, this is the bird automaton that I've got listed for you to see if you want. I'm showing it you first with nothing happening, and I'll just try and close up on the birds, but my camera work with this isn't very good, so it may get a bit blurred. Just to show you the birds. On the base we have the three legs, the winder and the on-off switch, which is bottom left in this picture here. So I'll now wind it up. Unfortunately I don't have a tripod to keep this camera still on, so I have to turn this film off while I'm winding up and placing it back up and working. So I've wound and now I'm ready to switch on. I'm not sure how long this will go on for, because I've never risked overwinding it, but once it's happening they take gaps, they take rest, they start again before they resume. The red one seems to be the most active.